back to Madison yesterday. You hear that power, before you Swanee River, I think it was Gulf Power or whatever it was in there, oil fire plant.
Yeah.
That plant, you know, there's a spur running off the SAL main line into there.
Yeah.
They're picking it up. Plant is gone. You know what they've got left? Solar panels. Big old solar panel field there, and another one on the other side of the expressway. I guess it's feeding into the grid there.
Yeah. And the more they want electric cars, more electric power, and more solar panels, push in electric cars, not the solar panels and condos.
There was I spotted right there at, Interstate 10, I guess, Wellmore, you know, which is this side of.
U33B.